What's up, guys? It's Ben here, or Mr. Random here. I've gotten a few new old fans recently, and this is one of them. I'm going to be doing a video of this one. I got this last Wednesday. This is Tuesday right now at the time of making the video. So the Wednesday before this Tuesday, basically, I got this. I got it in the morning. It's basically metal and stuff. So we're going to be showing it off. Actually, I'm showing you the back right now. It's kind of weird because front is actually this side, because it would normally be using the window. It's a Sears Homart. Sears Homart. And by the way, if you're wondering, oh, why does the dining room look different? I'll make a video on that, I promise. So basically, here it is. It's the Sears Homart, and the PL20E is still going good. It's still my favorite vintage box fan because it's my first vintage box fan, and I love how the grill's so fancy. PL20E is gonna stay my favorite. But this one is my second favorite. So here we go. We're gonna go to the back because it has 3 speeds, low, medium, high, and a thermostat. It's not reversible like the PL20E. So we're at the back, and the grills are easily removable too. I'll make a tutorial on how to remove the grills at some point. There's a lot of videos ahead of the channel right now. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the zoom out to go to wide angle mode on my phone. So here we go. We're gonna be turning it on high first. Here we go. There we go. Pretty powerful. Let me get you guys out of the wind stream. So there it is. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. So now we're going to go down to medium. And that's medium. The switch is rattling for a second there. That's why I did that. Here's low. And back to high. Stop rattling, please. Thermostat works. We're going to be using that for the startup sounds. Spin down, pretty cool. We'll show that right now. And I have oiled this recently as well, and cleaned it, just like how I cleaned the PL20E. PL20E. And this is the Homart. Well, this is longer than it was a few days ago. Holy moly, this is longer than it was a few days ago, guys. And sorry that the air conditioner turned on. I want to record the startup sounds, so it might be a little bit muffled, but there we go. So here comes the startup sounds. First, low. It's low. Let me get up too close to the badge here. Here is medium. We're going to go up to the badge again. Without further ado, here is high speed. There we go. So, goodbye, guys. You got 3 more fans coming here soon. Like, I think 3 more table fans coming here soon on the channel. The Westinghouse, an Eskimo, and I think a Nap Monarch. So, bye, guys. Bye.